Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make money by trading futures. A lot of people are already familiar with how to trade spot, but I know some people do not know how to go about when it comes to trading futures. One thing is that trading futures is very, very risky, but you can also make a lot of money trading futures. So for you to make money from trading futures, it requires that you do some technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and all of that. So before I go on in this video, I would like to say that information provided in this video should not be taken as a financial or legal advice. So please do your own research and do what is right, because I will take responsibility for my profit and loss, and you should also be ready to take responsibility for your profit and loss. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I said you can make a lot of money trading futures, and you can also lose money trading futures. Crypto is volatile, so all of this we need to make research before going into a particular trade. So one thing is that what happens in futures trading that makes it different from spot trading is that you are going to be speculating that the price of a particular coin will either go up or come down. Let me come again. What you're going to be doing with futures trading is that you are going to be speculating that the price of a particular coin would either go up or go down. One advantage that you're going to have with futures trading is that you would be able to leverage. You'll be able to have access to more money, more leverage. For example, if you are trading on spot, if you are doing spot trading now, you notice that you can only buy a particular coin with an amount you have. For example, this is Luna coin. If I want to buy Luna now, you can see here it says I'm having around 42 USDT available. So I can only buy Luna worth this amount, 42.06 USDT. But futures trading, what happens is that I will have opportunity to leverage my account. I will have the opportunity to leverage my account such that if I want to use this 42 USDT now, I can use times 10 or times 100 of this 42 USDT. Instead of 42 USDT, I will have access to more than what I have in order to trade. So, and when you have access to more than what you have, that also means that you are liable to higher risk, because the moment you started losing trade, you will also lose a lot of money. I'm going to explain to you now using the futures tab so that you get what I mean. Now, this is futures tab. For you to get to futures tab, what you need to do is that you click on futures here. You click on futures, then it will take you to the futures tab. One thing is that if you are using futures for the first time, you will need to pass through a little test by Binance. You will need to go through a test. So if you fail the test, you will ask to redo the test, and you'll be given the options, the correct answer. So don't worry, it is not an examination that if you fail, you are not going to have access to it again. So when you're on this page, please take note. Some of the terms that some of the things you are going to see, I'm going to explain to you one after the other. Now, if you look at this area, it says cross, and if you click on it, you are going to see that we have another option there. We have cross and isolated. Now, what cross means is that it says switching of margin mode only applies to the selected contract. So what happens in cross is that you have certain amount of money here, which is, let's say we are having 1.41 USDT now. So if we want to use 1 USDT out of this and we click on 1 USDT, what happens is if you choose cross, if you are losing and it gets to the point whereby you have exhausted the 1 USDT you indicated you want to use, then cross will also come and take this 0.41 USDT that is remaining and will continue to trade with it. But isolated, on the other hand, means that it is only what you specify that will be used. So if you click on isolated now, what happens is that you are going to be charged based on the amount you chose. It is not going to use all the lot size, all you have in your account. You only be charged based on what you specify that you want to use. That is for isolated and cross. Another thing you need to take note here is leverage. So you have where you have this 20x. You can have access to more than what you have. What this 20x means is that I can use up to 20 times this size of my account. That is what it means. So let us click on it and see. Here you have from 1 to 25x. In some other coins, you can have up to 100x. So what this means is that if you choose 1x or if you choose 5x, for example, you are saying that you want to use 5 times of the amount or whichever amount you are going to specify here. You are saying that you are going to use 5 times of this amount. If we increase the leverage, it will show that we want to use more than what we have. So we can increase it up to, let's say, 15x. So it means that I will use 15 times of this amount to trade. But one thing is that if you are going too high on your leverage, there is higher possibility of you getting liquidated. If you look at this red here, it says that selecting higher leverage such as 10x increases your liquidation risk. And what liquidation means is that if you specify that a particular coin is going to go up, but that coin is going down, Binance will give you a certain level that if this coin reach this point, that means that you're going to lose all you have. If the point reach a particular level, that means you're going to lose all the amount you are using to trade. So to be on the safer side, it is always good to trade using smaller leverage, which is like 10x. So although it depends, if you are sure of what you want to trade, you can use any leverage. That's a fact. If you are sure, if you have been able to do your technical analysis, your fundamental analysis, and you know that the coin is going to go up or go down, you can speculate which side is going to go and you can adjust your leverage to what you have selected. So that is that about leverage. Then another thing you need to take note is that just like what you have on is spot trading, you can buy or sell or long or short, because in some people's app you are going to see short or long. When you are shorting, it means that you are selling, and it means that you are saying that a particular coin is going to go down. When you are buying, it means that you are longing, and it means that you are saying that a particular coin is going to increase. That is what we mean by buy long or short sell. Again, when you buy, you are saying that a particular coin will go up, and you are also saying that you are longing. You're also saying that a particular coin is going to go up. But when you short or sell, you are saying that a particular coin is going to come down, because some people get confused when they see the term long and short. And when you look at the colors, long is usually green and short is usually red. So it is very, very simple to get. So now what happens is that if you want to um uh, if you want to trade a particular coin, what you need to do is that after you doing fundamental or the technical analysis, you will need to come to this features tab and enter a trade. So for some who would like to trade and don't know how to go about it, you can actually join our signal group. You can join our trading group so that you get signals on which particular coin you can short and long. And one thing is that you can eat up to 50% of your money in a day. You can eat up to even 100% of your money and more. You can eat up to 200% of your money. So you can only have access to this when you join our signal group. We have the free group and we have the VIP group. So you can join the free group and see how it goes. Then if you would like to join the VIP group, yeah, you can hit me up so that I'll put it through how you're going to go about that. So now, let me show you how you can enter a trade. What you can do is that, let us assume that I have now um, done my technical analysis and I said, okay, I want to short on this particular coin. For if you want to choose a particular coin, or if you want to choose other coins, what you need to do is that you select this area. Then it's going to bring other options, other perpetual contract. So if I select it now, I can enter a particular coin that I would like to trade, maybe BNB USDT perpetual. So I'll click on it. If it is BTC, you type it out. So whichever coin you want to trade, you can just come here and input the coin. So now let us assume we want to short on this OGN USDT now. We want to short on it. So what I'm going to do is that I need to select my leverage. I'll put it on 10x leverage, then click on confirm. Then here you're going to enter the position that you would like to join the trade. You will enter the position here. So let us assume that you want to use market, just like in sports trading as well. You can click on where we have this limit for you to be able to choose on how to enter your trade. You can use this stop market. You can also use market. If you click on market, that means that you can go ahead and enter the trade straight up. So if you are not going to do that, you can click on limit and set that, okay, when it gets to this particular time, I'm going to enter the trade. Another thing is that if you are being given a signal and you want to enter the trade, you can click on this stop market. Then you input the trade, you input the entry, and you also input your stop loss and take profit and enter the trade. So now let us go by going into market by using this market. We'll use market. I would use what I have in my lot size, what I have. Then I would click on short. I want to short on this market now, so that I'm going to see. So normally what I do is that I used to set my take profit and stop loss, so that you will not be caught out. The most important one is that you should always remember to set your stop loss. That is the most important one. Always remember to set your stop loss so that you will not blow your account, because like I said, it is volatile. So if you are being given a signal, it is important for you to always remember to set your stop loss so that your account will not be liquidated. So now I'm going to, because this what I have here is small, I'm not going to set a stop loss right now. I will just enter the market. I will enter the market now. So I'm going to short. So as you can see here, that it says that we are in position. If you are for example, if you are not going to enter the trade using market, if you want to set like a specific signal you are giving, you're going to see your order here. It will show under this open order. But since we use market, it's going to show under position here. And as you can see here, it is now trading. So let me quickly explain what you are seeing on your page right now. Let me quickly explain. Here is going to show you your unrealized profit and loss. Why it is unrealized is that I have not yet stopped the trade. The moment I stop the trade is going to be the realized profit or loss. So for example, now this trade, now I am losing up to like 6% of what I used to trade. This is my unrealized profit and loss. The moment I stop it right now, I will lose this amount. But if it is trading in profit, then it is going to show you a green. You're going to see it's going to change to green. So it's also going to say it is unrealized profit and loss. But the moment I stop it, then it is going to be my realized profit and loss. Now, here, this is the amount I'm using to trade. And this is the amount which I entered the trade. And here is the amount at which it is trading right now. This is where it is right now. And this is going to be my liquidation price. This 0.8063. So what happens, or what this means, is that the moment OGN USDT enters 0.8063, if it enters 0.8063 from here, that means that I would be liquidated. That means that I don't have anything again. My money is gone. So that is what this liquidation means. Here we also have adjust leverage. We have adjust leverage here. We have you can set your stop profit, take profit and stop loss, and you can decide to close your position. So let's enter that stop profit and stop loss so that you see what is there. So when you click on stop profit and loss, here if you set this page, what you are saying is that whichever coin you are going to enter, you want to always set it. It is like you have set it automatically. But instead, what you're going to do is that you click on this position, TP and SL. When you click on that, you'll be able to set your take profit and stop loss for the particular coin you chose. So let us click on it right now. This is what you're going to see. So here you are going to input your take profit, and here you are going to input your stop loss. So let me input my stop loss now so that you are going to see what I'm talking about. So I would input 0.7460. So Then here I can input my take profit by entering 0.6. So I will click on confirm. So what I'm saying is that the moment this coin reaches 0.7470, then it should stop my trade. Then I will lose this amount, 0.12. So here as well, what I'm saying is that the moment the market enters 0.6, then it should stop my trade. Then I would make this amount 2.67 USDT. So that is how this works. So right now I'm going to click on confirm. Then it will appear under open orders, just as you can see here, it's saying that I'm having 2 open orders. So the 2 open orders are just the conditions that I've just set right now. So if we click on it, you can see that it's saying that it's going to sell. Is going to This is the take profit, where it's going to stop if I reach 0.6, and this is the stop loss, where it says if I reach 0.7470. So that is how you're going to set your stop loss and take profit. You also have other ways like setting trailing stop loss. I'm going to explain that in another video, because I really do not want this video to be too long. So that is how you can go about trading futures. So if you don't know how to do the technical analysis or fundamental analysis, you can join our group, so that you will be getting some features signal. Not only feature signal, there's also arbitrage signals that you'll be getting, and I will explain how this goes in my next video. You can also get signals for trading binary. So these are some of the things you are going to enjoy in our group. So you can join the group and start making money for yourself. So if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, and do not forget to turn on the notification so that you'll be notified as soon as I drop new content. So thank you very much for watching this video. I'll be seeing you in the next video.